This question was asked in UPSC 2025 paper 1 of philosophy, that ideas are timeless and spaceless, right? And you have to elucidate in terms of Plato. अब प्लेटो यहाँ पे क्या बात करते हैं? What are these ideas? What is the theory of form? So these ideas are the ultimate existential reality, the ultimate truth. वो ऐसी सत्ता है जो सुप्रीम है. They are the ultimate substance. Is it clear? The keyword over here. We will always break the question into keywords. अब इन आइडियाज के कुछ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स हैं, जैसे ये यूनिवर्सल हैं, ये इटर्नल हैं, ये इम्यूटेबल हैं, ये परफेक्ट हैं, ये टाइमलेस हैं, ये स्पेसलेस हैं. अब दो कीवर्ड्स और हैं यहाँ पे, टाइमलेस एंड स्पेसलेस. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड टाइमलेस? टाइमलेस इज beyond the time. That means it is always existing. It is not like it is today or it is not tomorrow. Is it clear? Spaceless means it does not occupy any physical space, right? There is universalness to it. Now, in this, Plato has given a metaphysical dualism, and this metaphysical dualism is known as two levels of reality. In his two levels of reality, he specifically mentions that there is one empirical world, right, which is the world of becoming, which is constantly changing, right, where there are imperfect copies of the things. And another one over here is the transcendental world, and this is the perfect world where the ideas exist, okay, where everything is ideal, which is eternal. Again, he specifically mentions over here that suppose this is the pen, okay. Now the pen which I am able to see in this empirical world over here, this is merely a copy. The real essence of the pen is existing in the transcendental world. That is the penness, N-E-S-S, ness, the universalness of the pen. What he is saying, that in this empirical world, things perish. They have a time. Suppose there is a red rose. The beauty of the red rose or the form of red rose, right? It is existing in the transcendental world and it is always existing. It is timelessly existing. But over here, the red rose will perish in some time. It is clear. Now, about the space, or let's take example of a chair. A chair which is existing in this world, okay, it is made of, if I say oak or teak wood, it has four, the characteristic features, it has four legs and all. Okay, this is existing here. It is merely a copy of the real representation of the chairness which is existing in the transcendental world. Plato was pretty poetic about his philosophy. ठीक है, जैसे वो बोलते हैं हर दृश्य के पीछे एक अदृश्य होता है. We see W.T. Stace has specifically mentioned in the ideas of Plato that he is very mystical in his sense. ठीक है, so I hope the answer is clear over here. You have to basically clearly mention about the theory of ideas, and then with a set of example, you have to substantiate that how it is timeless and how it is spaceless. One more point I would like to add over here regarding the knowledge. प्लेटो जब अपने थ्योरी ऑफ डिवाइडेड लाइन देते हैं, वो ये बात करते हैं कि ओपिनियंस आर एग्जिस्टिंग इन द एम्पिरिकल वर्ल्ड, राइट. नाउ as you move ahead the ladder, there is presence of knowledge, and the genuine, real, intuitive, rational knowledge is again timeless and spaceless. So both of these keywords, theory of divided line and theory of forms, have to be mentioned in your answer.